Hi, I'm Ron Paulk. Okay, this isn't tomorrow's video. I have a scheduled video to put up tomorrow. This is an impromptu quick one. I've had a few comments lately on a series of videos I did, a 6 video series on putting up crown molding. This is a detailed look at how to put up crown molding from beginning to end. Now, crown molding is one of those things that people think is very difficult, and it isn't. In fact, I named the series something like Crown Molding is So Easy. And to show you how to do it and some shop-made tools that you can do to make your life a lot easier. And I also cover the reason that I cut crown in position, meaning upside down, leaning at an angle, at a spring angle against the saw, instead of doing the combination slide miter. And I've done plenty of that, and when I get into really big crown, I do that. But it is so much faster to cut it into position, and it is more accurate. And also I cope everything, so I show you the tools that I do for that. Now, this is a series that some other carpenters have done similar series, and they don't put them on YouTube. They advertise them and they charge you quite a bit of money to purchase them, and they're here free of charge for you to watch. Free in the sense that your payment is there's an ad that plays over it. So those people that are buying the ads are paying for your ability to see it. So I wanted to bring it to your attention. It's a series that I'm really proud of. It took a lot of work, and it didn't get anywhere near the views that I wish it did, so I'm bringing it to your attention. And again, because recently I've had, probably 7 or 8 comments and emails saying, wow, I missed that one. So here it is. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description of this video down below. If you go to my playlist, you'll find it on my channel if for some reason the link doesn't work for you. And I've got it as the second list on my page. So if you're a returning subscriber, you're going to see how-to projects installing crown molding like pro, and that's the overall name of the playlist, and each one is Crown Molding is So Easy. And we start with part 1 and go through part 6, and you'll get to see me use my trailer on a job because I back my trailer up. I set up the total station, I show you how I measure, I talk you through the whole process, and I set up my tools, and I actually make the accoutrements, the few little plywood made jigs that really make crown molding simple. So enjoy and watch all 6, and also share them with somebody else. If you want to support the channel, you can use my Amazon link and purchase things from my store. They won't charge you any extra. They'll help us out a little bit. And also you can find a link to my plans in the video as well for the total station, the Paulk workbench, the compact bench, and the awesome rolling toolbox. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.